guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Lanika. Before I jump into today's video, I just wanted to thank my 738 subscribers. You have no idea how excited I am. I am still aiming for 1000. So guys, if you're watching this video, please subscribe to my channel so I can create more awesome, creative, and inspirational videos just for you to enjoy. Sit back, relax, we're still in quarantine. Okay. Let me take my glasses off. Okay, so first, you're going to need a t-shirt for this project. And make sure it's bigger than your original t-shirt that you have at home. And this is a men's size and this is a size medium. Jump into the project, shall we?
I've been on my way up, now it's really far down. I don't think I'll feel it when I hit the ground. In October it feels like summertime. I keep falling for you like I've been on my way up, now it's really far down. I don't think I'll feel it when I hit the ground. In October, it feels like summertime. I've been on my way up, now it's really far down. I don't think I'll feel it when I hit the ground.
Okay, wait. We are done. Okay, guys, so I want you to let me know which one of these DIY was your favorite face mask out of the three. I know which one was mine, but please let me know by leaving a comment in the description box down below. And if you do decide to try this method, please let me know in the description box down below, and you can also tag me in a picture of it on Instagram. Just go ahead and follow me on my Instagram page and tag me in it. I would so love to see DIY masks. Once again, thank you guys so much for staying tuned and watching my video to the end. I really appreciate it, and I had so much fun making these three masks, and I hope you do make one of these three masks and leave me a comment down below letting me know which one you will be trying. And if you do, don't be afraid to send me a picture. Boy, I sure would love to see it. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, but why not? It was a fun craft. But yeah, please give me a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to this video if you watch it to the end. But please give me a thumbs up and a subscription. I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers. I will see you in my video next week. Bye.
I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring